To perform factory reset of Sony WF-C710N, first of all you have to start by opening the case and inputting both earbuds inside the charging case. So right now you will have to locate this button on the back and click and hold it. Hold it all the time. Let me just show you how it actually looks. I'm gonna use my fingernail, and now we have to take a look on this small indicator there is in front of the charging case. So first of all it will turn blue. It means that we are in the pairing mode, but we have to keep holding definitely longer, and as you can see now the case blinks orange. But we have to also keep holding, and after a few moments the reset will be complete. When the indicator turns green, it means that it is finished. So we can release that button, close that case, open it, and now we can just sell that or repair one more time.